So, Assalamualaikum and good day, ma'am. So, I am Said M. Talib and this is my video activity for this subject of counseling. And I have a script here. So, dito ko po sulat lahat na sagot ko. Ito po siya. And so may number 1 is what is my understanding on process of helping relationship. So in my own perspective is to assisting courting producer. So to entails component consisting of empathy, lively and listen, setting up trust, putting goals, imparting support, providing feedback, and facilitating boom and empowerment with inside the man or woman in search for helping. So it might also contain spotting and respecting boundaries, so retaining confidentiality and participating with the man or woman to locate answer to their challenges. So and kumbaga, so parang dito po nagkakaroon ng dito po sa helping relationship is nagkakaroon ng taon dalawa, which is to the counselor and the client. Yun po. And number 2, how important is the role of counselor in helping the client? So the role of the counselor is crucial in helping client. So navigate challenges, providing support, guidance, and facilitating personal growth. So counselor offer a safe space for client to explore emotion, development, coping strategies, and gain insight into their thoughts and behaviors. So they play a vital role in promoting mental well-being. Kung baga, dito nakapokus ang well-being of the fostering positive change in client lives. So, and for the number 3 is what specific strategies can build rapport and increase client dialogue. So, building rapport and increase client dialogue can be achieved through various strategies, no, including the active listening. Kung baga, nakikinig tayo kung ano yung para mag-pay attention to sa client attention. Kung baga, paying close attention to what the client is saying, asking, clarifying questions, and demonstrating empathy. So, and the open-ended question. So, to encouraging the client to share more about their thoughts, feelings, and needs rather than simple yes or no answer, no? And reflective listening. So the paraphrasing and summarizing what the client has to say to show understanding and validate their perspective. And meron pa, no, kumbaga ito si empathy and understanding. So demonstrating genuine concern for the client situation and showing that you understand their challenges and goals. Parang nagpapakita ka na rin na parang doon mo na inilalarawan ang iyong sarili sa kung ano yung problema niya. And the lastly is share experiences to finding common ground with the client, whether it's personal interest, professional experience, or mutual goals. And lastly is the number 4. Identify the basic steps in the helping relationship. So, in my own perspective for this question is the basic step in the helping relationship typically building a trusting and comfortable relationship with the person seeking help, often through active listening, empathy, and mutual respect, to gather information about the person's situation, needs, strength, and goals through open-ended questions, observation, and assessment, no? To collaboratively identifying specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to each other goals that the person wants to work towards after you para magkaroon kayo ng perfect communication to your client. That's all. Thank you.